Hi, my dear students. I will deal you with the first chapter of geography of class 4. This geography, world around us. It has been written as the unit world around us. Our first chapter is about globes and maps. They are two different things, but they are very useful tools in the geography, in the study of geography. Both are very much widely used, globes and maps. I will tell you about one by one. What are globes, what are maps? Now see, you can read here, globe is a small model of the earth and it is spherical in shape. You can see it is a small, very small, I mean say model of earth. That means you can see earth in a very small, because your earth is very big, you can't make it, compress it. So it is in a compressed form. Short form means this is in a compressed form. Therefore, I will show you now one spherical in shape. You can well see here, it is spherical in shape. This is the, you can see, small model of earth, this globe. Okay. Before dealing with globe, you can see this is what is, you can see here blue lines, blue portion, these blue portions you see these are oceans and seas also, and these are continents. See, if you look here, this is Asia, this continent is Asia and this continent is Africa. This one is Africa, you can see Africa. Okay. This is your America, North America, South America, all are, you can see here. This is your North America, you can see very well, North America. Okay. This is Alaska, small part, you can see. So this represents true form because it is spherical in shape. Spherical means round in shape. It is round in shape. So you can say that it is in true form. It also considers the roundness of that, roundness is truth. So you can say it tells you the true character of true things. Now I can tell you one thing is clear, you know very well, this is your axis of the earth. Around this earth rotates like this, spins like this from west to earth like this. This axis passes through this imaginary line, this passes through the center of the earth and joins the north pole to the south pole. This axis is inclined and at an angle of 66.5 degree to the horizontal. If you draw a horizontal line, this axis makes an angle of 66.5 degree with the horizontal. So this is your map, this is your globe. So this is a small model of the earth, spherical in shape. Okay, now I will tell you about map. Yes, here is map, you can read it well. Map is a drawing of the earth or its part on a flat surface, that is drawn on a flat surface. Again I am reading to you, map is a drawing of the earth or its part. It is part of the earth. You may take any continent, you may take any country, you may take any state of the country, you may take any city, you can take any type of maps are of many types. These are 4 types of maps are there. Number 1 is known as political map. Number 2 is known as physical or relief map. One is political, number 2 is physical or relief map. Third is thematic map. And fourth one is tourist map. So I will discuss one by one with you. Now I am coming here and you please follow me. This is a political map of India. You can see the boundary of India as a whole. Here is, you can see, here is Jammu and Kashmir. I am going down Rajasthan. I am following the coastal area. This is Gujarat and Maharashtra, then Karnataka, Kerala. This is your southern tip of the mainland, Kanyakumari. Then I am going this southernmost part. Then I will go upward. Tamil Nadu. This is Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, West Bengal, Bangladesh. This is other country. West Bengal, then Assam, then is your Arunachal Pradesh, easternmost part of India. And you have this is the westernmost Gujarat, the westernmost point, and this is the easternmost point, that is in Arunachal Pradesh. You can see the state boundaries, and the largest state is our Rajasthan. Similarly, Andhra Pradesh is also a large state. Goa is very small state. You can see here Goa, very small state. This is your Goa, Panaji. Panaji is the capital of Goa. This is Goa, very small state. This is your Rajasthan. You can see the boundary. The political map shows the boundary of various states and also union territory. This unit is Andaman Nicobar Island. This is your Indra Point. This is the southernmost point of India. This is the southernmost point of India. Southernmost point of mainland is Kanyakumari, as I have told you earlier. But the southernmost point of India is, if you don't consider the mainland, taking India as a whole, the southernmost point is Indra Point. But this Indra Point is washed away during tsunami quite a few years back. Now you can see here Lakshadweep, Minicoy, another island. So this is the physical map of India. You can see Bay of Bengal, Arabian Sea and Indian Ocean. It is surrounded by three waters. Three waters, Bay of Bengal one water, second water is your Arabian Sea, and third water is Indian Ocean. Water bodies they are shown in blue color. In the maps they are shown in blue colors. So that's why it is called peninsula. Peninsula is the word given to a landform which is surrounded by three parts. On three sides it is surrounded by water bodies. That's called your peninsula. So India is the greatest peninsula. Now I will show the physical map or relief map. Relief map shows rivers, mainly mountains, rivers, plateaus, plain lands, etc. You see this, you can see here very well that this is knows the altitude in meters. This is from 0 also minus depth in meters, 200 depth, 1000 meters in depth, then 150 meters, 300 meters high, 600 they are up and they are down. So the color is there, different colors are there, and you see these are symbols and colors are there. You can read the map with the help of symbols and colors. You can know this is the relief. This relief map shows the landform of a country. This is the landform of relief map of India. This is the relief map of India. Previously I have shown you political map of India. Now this is your physical map of India or relief map of India. This is your India mainland. You can see green colored. Okay, this green color is 150 to 300 meters up the ground level. That means it is plateau region. This is plateau. Green portion is plateau region, and this dark brown, these are hilly region, mountainous region. And if the regions if high mountains are there, then that color is shown by dark brown. These mountains are very high here. So Arunachal Pradesh, you can see high mountains here. So you can read this map with the help of your, and also written there Balaghat range. You can see the Ajanta range of these are range of what? The range of your mountains. Okay, this is Malwa plateau region also. The plain of Ganga, this is plain land. You can see here plain land also, and you can see plateaus and hilly region, mountainous region, everything you can see in this map along with its name. Okay, these are your relief map. Now I have told you third map is thematic map. Thematic map deals with that. You can find your book also. This book, if you go to page number 11, you see what is written here. You can see these two maps. First one is a map of India showing sea routes. This is the routes, sea routes are there, and their symbol is there also. Major port is shown like this, minor port are shown like this, and sea route is shown like this, lines, straight lines, blue lines like this. These are your sea route. This is called thematic map, showing sea routes. This is the map of India showing sea routes, how one can reach India or one can go outside from India. These are ports, different ports are there from which we can send our goods, and we can also travel to other countries. So this is called thematic map. There is another thematic map. This map shows the maize producing regions. In this region, maize are produced in our country. You see, this is your symbol, or you can colored maize, it is written there. You can see these color here, there, here, over there, some part of Kashmir. This is your Haryana, UP, and quite Bihar. You can see these part here. Maize is grown. You can see here Madhya Pradesh, some is Chhattisgarh maybe, and these are the parts of Gujarat and Rajasthan. Here maize are mainly grown. You can look there. These are called thematic maps. These two maps, which will you find in on your 11th page. You can see there are two maps. They are called thematic maps. Now I will show you tourist map. Tourist map deals with tourist map. I have collected from Atlas. You see, this is you can see very well. New Delhi is written there. Various places of New Delhi is there. If you can see, this is called Janakpuri. This is your eastern part of Delhi, Janakpuri. You can visit there. Various places are written here. You can see this is your Sadar Bazaar, mainland Sadar Bazaar. Okay, and this is Safdarjung Airport. Is there Safdarjung Enclave, right? You can see there. Here you can judge you can see and go to that place. If you know, this is the tourist map. This you can find Agra. If you want to visit Agra, you can name various places like Dayal Bagh or Taj Mahal. You can locate those places. So this is a tourist map. So in this way, I have almost finished the chapter. But before finishing that chapter, I will read out some important things from your book. You can see India shares its boundaries with, here you can see these things. Directions are important as they help us to locate places. You know, there are 4 directions. North, main directions are 4: north, east, south and west. Okay, these are very essential to locate place. Maps usually have an arrow marked with an at the upper right hand corner. You can see this upper right corner, you will see N. The letter N means north direction, that is written here in the top direction, in the upward direction. With the north direction given on the map, it is easy to find the other directions also. South is this way, north is that way, upward direction, south in this direction, east in this direction, and west is in this direction, left hand side, and east is on your right hand side. Okay, you can see in your map also. Now symbols, I have told you earlier also, broad gauges, meter gauges, railway station, they are shown by this type of symbols. Metal road means pakka, पक्का जहाँ रोड होता है, पक्का रोड, and unmetalled कच्चा रोड. Pakka road is shown like this and Kacha road is shown like this. International, state and district boundaries. There are international boundaries, the state boundary and district boundaries. You see the difference here. Yes, there are some differences there. So, these are river, well, tank, canal, bridge. You can see them. Post office written as PO, Post and Telegraph Office written as PTO and police station written as PS. They are all symbols. Trees and grasses are like these. These you can find your notebook on page number 12. Now coming to page number 12. Besides symbols, colors are also used on maps to show various things. For example, blue is used for water bodies like your ponds, rivers, lakes, okay, like this, oceans and seas. Green is used to show fields, forests and trees, and brown is used for mountain and hills. I have shown you this brown color in the relief map of India. Okay. Key or legend. A key or legend explains the meaning of the symbol. Here the meaning. Here you see meaning of the symbol. This is the symbol. This is the key. Meaning of the symbol is explained here. Now, a key or legend explains the meaning of the symbols or color used on a map. See, I have told you maize color. Maize is the color that was written also. Maize is here key or legend. Color was that time, you can see that time in the previous page, maize was shown in here blue color. Okay. So, this is your color, this is your symbol. Maize is your key and this is your color. Okay. Scale is very important. Since the earth is so large, it is not possible to show the actual distance between two places on a piece of paper, because piece of paper is small. How can show you the actual distance? For example, the distance between Dimapur and Kohima is about 68 kilometers. Dimapur and Kohima, they are in the northeastern state of your Mizoram or Manipur. Okay. Therefore, Mizoram. So, how can you tell them that they are 68 kilometers apart? They are actually very long, 68 kilometers, very large. Actually, you cannot show that actually. So, you can show by taking a scale. It is not possible to make a 68 kilometer long map to show the route and places situated between these two cities. Hence, a map is drawn to scale. Scale is needed to draw accordingly. 68 kilometer will show that taking the scale you will show 68 kilometer. The ratio of the distance between two pieces on a map, places on a map, the ratio of the distances between two places on a map to the actual distance between these two places on the ground is called a scale. Scale is very important. Without scale you cannot draw a proper map. That map will not be accurate. Accurate maps are drawn to scale. This is the ratio between this is the ratio actually between the two places on a map to the actual distance between two places. Maps distance between the maps, two places in the map and distance between the two places on the same place on the actual ground level. The distance on a map is given in ratio to a smaller unit. For example, the distance between your home and your friend's house is 10 kilometers. However, on a map the same distance will be shown as 2 centimeters. Hence, in this case 1 centimeter on the map is equal to 5 kilometers on earth. Very simple. 1 centimeter means 5 kilometers. So, you are showing 2 centimeters. Therefore, it is clear that 10 kilometers apart in actual your friend lives 10 kilometers apart from you. Now, grid, there is a horizontal and vertical lines on a map. You see horizontal line and vertical lines. They are known as latitude and longitude. I will tell you afterwards. These lines form a group of squares called a grid. This is called grid. Each square is allotted a number and a letter which helps us to locate place on a map. So, here is difference between globe and map. here are four differences are there. A globe is a model of the earth, I have shown you earlier, with which is spherical in nature. A globe is a model of the earth which is spherical in nature. Whereas a map is a drawing of the earth or a part of it on a flat surface such as paper. You can draw the map on a paper. A globe mainly shows countries, continents and oceans. Okay, that you know, I have told you earlier also. Globe shows only these three things, mainly three things: countries, continents, ocean and seas. A map can show information such as forest, agriculture, these are thematic maps, and industries of a particular region or in detail. If you go into detail, you must show it by a map. Okay, every detail map is shown by a detail. A detail is shown in map only, not on globe. A globe cannot show all the places present on the earth. A map can show the entire world or a part of it. Okay. Some globes are heavy and cannot be carried from one place to another easily. A map can be folded, it can be folded and carried anywhere easily. So here is your lesson is complete. I have given you exercises about this. Okay. So now today it is the end of our lesson.